today I'm very excited to show you my new monitor, the Dell 27 Curved Gaming Monitor. So this is a Dell 27 Curved Gaming Monitor, specifically its model S2721HGF. All the product information will be found in the description for any other questions, but some of the reasons that I picked this particular gaming monitor out is I'm getting a brand new PC, and I wanted something very nice. And this one, great for gaming, and it's curved, which means the curved is good for your eyesight and, eye strain. So this is 27 inches, it's 19.4 inches tall, and then on the side here, some other good specs that I really enjoy about it is that it does have, it has NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync, so if you are into gaming, have a particular gaming card, this is going to be good for you. I did have some problems finding one that was for NVIDIA because I do have a nice gaming card with my new PC, which I'll show you later, and I wanted to make sure that was paired up for that as well. So the refresh rate is fairly fast for this monitor as well. It's 144 Hertz, and the response rate is 1 millisecond as well because I enjoy gaming, so I wanted something very responsive. Those are just some of the highlights, main reasons that I picked this out. I will preface this by saying I am not a tech expert. I am an ordinary user, and this is one of the reasons why I got this. So let's open it up. Okay, I just opened it, and as you can see, there's all of the cords that you need and the instructions. Because I have to put the base together, apparently. Okay, let's unclose that away. Alright, so after following the directions and everything, it was incredibly simple to set up. It's a very pretty screen. I actually upgraded, obviously better PC screen so far, 27 inches. I had a 24 inch, and this one is curved, and I'm really excited about it. I'm going to go get my PC so I can set that up too now so we can actually look at it and plug everything in, because right now I don't have anything, so I'll be back. Alright, so here's the screen. I have a classic Zelda background, but this is after doing some updates, starting up. This is obviously my background too. You might have a more vibrant picture, but this is the picture that I have. I love it. It's great. Alright, so I have everything set up now. I've been using it for a little bit. Already I don't feel nearly as strained when I look at the screen, and I think that's obviously a setting thing and stuff like that as well, but curved screen is very comfortable to look at. Playing games, it seems to be very responsive, especially since this one does have the NVIDIA G-Sync, and I have that and everything. So playing games has been a breeze. I have a dynamic wallpaper, so this is very crisp and clear, and I enjoy it. The picture's great. Everything all around with this monitor is very good, and I'm very impressed with this purchase. Alright, so that's a look at the Dell 27 gaming monitor. Make sure you check the description section below for more information. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.